Welcome to Micron America, a trusted leader in fastening solutions and machinery. In this video, we will walk you through the die's installation process for the Micron PL-10 pneumatic grommet attachment machine. Please ensure that the machine is powered off and safe to operate. We will be working with the number 2 self-piercing grommet attachment dies and the adapters which come included as installed in the machine. Begin by inserting the bottom die adapter into position as shown, and make sure to place it before the top adapter. Next, position the top adapter in the designated area and hold it in place while tightening the screw with a key. Once the top adapter is secured, tighten the bottom adapter screw as well. Now, simply place the bottom die into position and secure the top die by turning it as shown. Installation is now complete. Turn on the machine to begin the application process. Place 1 grommet on the top die and 1 washer on the bottom die. Position the material between the dies, then press either the button above or the foot pedal to cut, and attach the grommet in one step. Now to remove everything, turn off the air pressure and begin by twisting the top die to screw it right off easily. Lift up the bottom die. The machine is now left with the die adapters. Remove the top and bottom die adapters simply by loosening the screws. For thicker materials like polyester, webbing, antique material, industrial 2-step dies could be utilized. Install the bottom die shown, which mounts directly onto the machine and does not require an adapter. The top die also installs without an adapter. Simply insert it into position and tighten it securely. Next, press the foot pedal to hold the dies in place, then tighten the screw for the bottom die. At the back of the machine, you will find the air pressure gauge. To adjust the pressure, pull the blue cap upward and turn it to increase or decrease the setting. Once the desired pressure is set, press the cap back down. For the number 2 self-piercing dies, the operating pressure we used is 100 psi or 6 bar. Thank you for watching. For any inquiries or general questions, please contact us at info@micronamerica.com or call us at 973-278-4100. For additional information, please visit micronamerica.com. Micron America. Quality is our priority.